Now, I will show you how it's possible this type of creating image. Go to Google and search Ideogram AI. Then click first one. Logging with Google account. Then continue. Create profile. Start creating. Select handbag image. Then copy for prompt. In the right side. Then paste it description. Then change your choice logo name. Then set aspect ratio. Then hit generate. It will take some time to load. Look at these Amazon bag design. Then right-click and save to computer. You can also try the same prompt and description.